Hello dear student. In this video we will discuss the another important phylum which is known as Ctenophora. Basically these phylums organisms are commonly known as sea walnuts and comb jellies. Remember these two words? Sea walnuts and the comb jellies are the another important terms which we always use for the phylum Ctenophora. They have got radially symmetrical and they are diploblastic. Two types of ectoderm and endoderms are present in it. Most important thing is related to their body wall. Their body wall have got two types of layers, outer layer and inner layer. Outer layer is known as epidermis, inner layer is known as gastrodermis. Further, the outer layer divided into two types of outer and inner layers. One outer layer which is related to the epidermis, it is responsible for the sensory cells and the coloblast cells. Inner layer is responsible for some specific types of muscle-like structures, and some nerve cells are present in the inner wall of the epidermis. Now the inner layer of the gastrodermis have got the canal system, and this canal system is responsible for the storage of different types of cells. Some germ cells are also present there which play a very important role in reproduction, just like male and the female gamete. And some photosynthetic cells are also present in their canal system. And these because of these photosynthetic cells, they act as like a bioluminescence organisms. It means they emit light in midnight. Now apart from that, they are the largest animal which have tendency to locomotion with cilia, and they are hermaphrodite or bisexual. It means both male and female sex are present in one organism. Only sexual reproduction takes place in it. Cilia are present external, and they are found in the 8 combed plate structure. Now the structure of the particular coelomates or Ctenophora organisms. This is the structure of the Ctenophora organism. The mouth part, this is the aneth part. This hollow or the solon part is related to the pharynx. Apart from that, the pharynx, there is a stomach part. Pharynx and stomach have got different types of canal-like structure, and these canal-like structure are joined till then the last portion. And this last portion, some cilia-like structures are present. Apart from that, the big tentacle-like structure also arises from here. They are known as cilia. They play a very important role in the case of swimming. So in this canal system, the photosynthetic bioluminescent pigments are present, which play a very important role in emit the light. So these are the basic characteristics which are related to the kingdom Ctenophora.